you think that starting a business is too risky, I want you to think about this. All of life is kind of risky, actually, if you think about it. Getting out of bed in the morning is risky. You could fall down the stairs. Walking the dog is risky. You could get, God forbid, hit by a car. I mean, just living on its own is a risk. Getting into a car is a risk. Getting into an airplane is a risk. In fact, to take it to the extreme, even to stay in bed all day is a risk too, because you could form all kinds of bed sores or chronic health conditions from not moving your body enough. So if all of life involves risk, why don't take the risks that move you in the direction of your dreams? See, a lot of times people say that, business is too risky, but not starting that business is a risk too. What is the risk of being in the place that you're in right now 10 years from now? What will the risks of that be? So here's the conclusion. What you want to do is you want to map out what is important to you. What is meaningful to me in my life? What do I want to be able to say at the end of my life that I did? And did I take the appropriate risks to move myself in the directions of my dream? That's really how you deal with the fact that, yeah, it's risky, but that's okay.